So hi everybody, today I want to show you guys how to create a ads txt file. So I don't know if anyone else who's running AdSense for their website, be it a blog or anything of that nature, has seen this banner up here that says earnings at risk. One or more of your sites does not have an ads txt file. Fix this now to avoid a severe impact on your revenue. So when you click the Learn More button, it actually opens up to this page, which is AdSense's description on how to declare authorized sellers with the ads.txt. So it's pretty easy to create. I thought I'd walk you guys through this really fast. So basically, they give you the outline of this is what you need when you go ahead and you create your file. Granted, the publisher number would be your own ID number. So we'll just use this as an example. So what you would do is if you're running Windows, you would open any type of word processing software like Word or Notepad, or you could probably even use Google Docs. If you're using a Mac, you probably would do the same thing as well, but I'm running Windows. So let's just open a general notepad. So what you would do is you would just open your word processing document and it would be blank, as you can see. So you just highlight the text here, copy it, paste it. Now remember, the publisher, you would have to put in your own ID number. I'm leaving that blank. But in your final setup, you would add your publisher ID. So you would remove this publisher with all the zeros and add your own publish ID, and you can find that in your AdSense account. So basically, you would just do this. You would save this as a TXT file. I already have one that's already done. So basically, I just saved mine as ads, and you would save it just as a standard TXT. And then to add it to your website, you would just go ahead and log into whatever your hosting service is. I happen to have Bluehost, so I already logged in. And you would go to your, I'm trying to remember where I did, I think it was File Manager. Every site has a different setup. So basically what I did was I just put it here in my general documentation under my the name of my site through my hosting company. So as you can see, it's actually right here. So it's there. It will take Google AdSense a day or two to find it in your system. But what I did learn yesterday from another site, which I'll show you guys right now, is to make sure that your AdSense is correct. You would log into your website. So you would put in your website your website URL. So I would just type in mine, which would be reviewsandsavingspel.com. And then you would tack on at the end a /ads.txt, which you guys can see there. And what it does is it actually brings up your txt file if it's valid. So mine is valid. So if I was to click on this link, it would take a second for it to load, of course. But of course, it's going to be a slowpoke today. It would still bring up your ad. As you can see, it brings up your it brings up the ad txt. So basically, you would put in your publisher number as I showed you, which I'll blur out soon. And this is how you add it to your system. And again, it does take AdSense, their crawler, at least a day or two to notice it. I've noticed this coming up off and on lately. It did go away for a few days, but I haven't heard anything back. I contacted AdSense and I still haven't heard anything back in terms of what they're going to do about this banner message. So I thought I'd show you guys how to do that. Have a good day and thanks for watching. Bye.